Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a multicolor cooling strip frame, photo frame with the flag of UAE, United Arab Emirates, with some shape of sun. For that we need two color strips, yellow and pink, 150 mm, one comb and glue. So let's start friends. Before wasting our time, we need to put the glue, 150 mm strip, yellow and pink both. We have to make the petal with the comb. Just turn out every single teeth of comb and make the shape of petal. This is a very quick video we are making for the photo frame, easy and beautiful, and make it a petal. Just press from the top and the shape of petal both sides. 10 we need pink and 9 we need yellow for here, and A5 size paper. We have to make a round of diameter of 10. The whole round is 10 mm. Like you have to need to open the 5 mm your compass, 5 centimeter, and put the strips in the same line, black, white, green and red. So friends, we put orange paper down and green here, and 9 yellow and pink. 10 we have to use. Put the petals in the same distance. I put the distance around 7 mm. Depend on your round, what kind of and what size of your round and how many petals you want to put there. Inside we have to do the pink. It's very simple, easy and quick. I have more frames. I already upload the video, some and some of after that. These are very stuffy, full of stuff, but this one is easy, quick and very simple. You can make it within around 5 to 10 minutes. You just need to concentrate 10 minutes, and I hope you learn from our video friends. We complete the frame, the round frame, photo frame. So if you have any question, you can ask me, I will answer you. And subscribe our channel, comment below the video if any question and if you like it. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload a new video. So until next video, next tutorial friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.